In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Substack publication. Whether you're rebranding, making a fresh start, or just want a catchy new title for your publication, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Substack dashboard. This is your main hub where all the magic happens. It provides a comprehensive overview of your publication's performance and settings. Once you're there, you'll be able to access a variety of customization options that cater to your needs. Now, from the top of the dashboard, click on Settings. This section is vital because it houses all the customization tools you need to modify your account and publication features. As you click on it, you'll notice a variety of options on the left panel. The one we're interested in today is labeled Website. Click on that and it will lead you to all the particulars and customizations for your publication. Within the website section, keep an eye out for the field called Publication Name. This is where you'll make your big change. The publication name is essentially the calling card of your Substack, the banner under which all your creations will be published. Therefore, it's important to choose something that represents your brand or message accurately and compellingly. Now comes the fun part, changing the name. Click into the publication name field and type in your new title. Take your time to ensure it resonates with your vision. Avoid using overly complex or lengthy names that may be challenging for your audience to remember. Instead, aim for something concise and impactful. Once you've settled on a new name, the final step is to save your changes. You'll usually find the Save button at the bottom of the page or section you're working in. Click it to ensure all your adjustments are updated and reflected on your live site immediately. This step is crucial because without saving, all the changes you've made might not take effect, and you'd have to go through the process again. And there you have it. Renaming your Substack publication is as simple as that. Remember, this can be a fantastic opportunity to breathe new life into your work, so take the time to select a name you'll love and one that your readers will remember. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now feeling confident in making the changes you need. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. Stay creative, and until next time, happy publishing.